and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, the UK's home for all your instrument cluster servicing, repairs and parts requirements. Today we will be presenting the spare part instrument cluster display for the Ford Focus Mark IV facelift, which ran from 2021 to 2024. This spare part will repair common faults such as the central display, flickers on and off, display has black marks or spots in random places, there are lines across the display, or missing segments or complete display failure. On the test here you can see the instrument cluster as missing segments and black marks across the speedometer area. Cluster Repairs UK are an official stockist of genuine parts that we import, as seen in this video. Here, now, we can see the instrument cluster under visual inspection after a new display has been installed, and it's working like new. All parts come with a back-to-factory 12-month warranty. After you have purchased the part, you will be receiving an in-depth detailed tutorial video designed by our experienced technicians to make your DIY experience as easy as possible. Cluster Repairs UK has been serving the motor industry since 1986, covering all instrument cluster models from the 1960s to the present day. Our customer service is award-winning, so if you need any further advice, please read the detailed video description below. Feel free to give us a call or drop us an email and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.